Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to equip multiple hairs and accessories on Roblox. Guys, first of all you have to open roblox.com on browser. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. Now you just need to click on this menu button over here and go to edit avatar, and here I'll show you from accessories or here. So just click on head and body and expand it and just open the hairs from here. So here you can see that I have already equipped multiple hairs over here. So if you want to equip multiple here, I'll show you how can you do that. Let me unselect all of them except one. And if you want to equip multiple here, just need to right click on a new here, copy the link address, open a new tab, paste your link over here, and just copy the asset ID from the URL. Can you see? Just copy, right click on it, copy, and just open the avatar editor again and scroll down. Here you will see this advanced link over here. Click on it and paste your asset ID over here and click on save and save again, and your hair will be select. So this is how you can equip multiple hair. Repeat the same steps for equipping multiple hair. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.